that train guy. Back on the move again, sort of. We're at the Florida Railroad Museum. And the Hole in the Head gang is about to go for a box of gold that's being transported on this train. Now, I think something's going to happen. So, of course, we're out here at the Florida Railroad Museum. It's actually my birthday weekend. We're here for a ride. Nice air-conditioned car. I've been riding in the open air most of the way today. But let's get on with it.
Conductor 1835. Let's head north. Heading north.
station?
Right about there looks pretty good.
Put that stuff down.
Set that down.
Keep that Marshal covered. You all stand over there. We're going to PJ Ranch has the key. We don't have it.
I got a key.
Your horse, how are you going to carry that off? He'll figure it out.
Ladies and gentlemen, shooting going on. Expect y'all to lay down a little low. Don't get hit by any crossfire here. Like I told you, look out.
Boys, look out!
Be careful.
Hey, boy. Where? Forget something?
Get away from me! Get away from me! Take her down! Take her down!
Hold your fire! Hold your fire! Save the bullet! You guys hurt? You guys come on. Oh, wait a minute. How about you people on the train? Anybody been shot?
You got shot. You have your holster?
You're city folk, aren't you? Okay, let me tell you how you know you've been shot. You go to the club car, and you get a great big belly walk, and you drink it all down. If it comes out of a hole that it's never come out of before, you have been shot. Okay? Conductors have band-aids. Okay? All right. Boys, I've come all the way from Arizona. Nobody's got this gold yet. Nobody's getting it today. Put the gold back in there and get it back there. Hey, Marshal, ain't gonna happen. You're all my prisoner. Yeah, but you forgot to take ours, didn't you? You're gonna have to be pretty quick to take me out. And all that shooting, and you never hit one of them. I'll tell you what. Why don't you give us a gold? We can get back on the train. We get back to the depot. I'll buy you a drink. Maybe two. We're keeping the gold.
No, we're not keeping the gold.
All right. So what do you think y'all trying to do?
I think we just shoot you right now. We take the gold and go.
I don't think
Tell you
so.
what.
I don't think so. Lay
We're
down
gonna
your
do
arms
it the
now.
code of the West. Who wants to see a shootout? Right. Mano a mano. Our best against your best. Who's that? All right. Our best man against your best man. Sounds fair. Alright, I'm gonna count to 3 and then I'm gonna shoot you.
1 against 1.
I don't trust you to count. How about on the train? How many kids can count to 3?
Wait a minute.
How many adults can count to 3? Alright, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna square off. I'm gonna get my gun like this, get my fighting stance, nod my head, and we're gonna go say it with me, okay? Real loud. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up now. Alright, that was pretty good. But I need you to do it louder because I'm hard to hear me now. Okay? Step back a little bit. Just a little bit more. I just got close.
He's the one in the red shirt.
Such bad What do you have, Barry?
Badge on his chest. Take all that.
That's your good shot. I hate to see your work. Think you got better luck tonight?
Is that a pea shooter? Longest gunfight in history.
Better hurry up. We gotta go to lunch.
Oh, that's enough of it. Put the gold in the box. Let's go. Gunfight? Stick him, Paul. Stick him. Stick him.
All right, you win.
All right, put the gold back in the box.
Kill our best guy. Take your gold and get on out of here.
They drag him out.
After you load the train, we're taking you all to jail. Came to a tree.
Hey, folks,
We don't care.
the hole in the head gang. Somebody help Paul get
Couple times, you might have wanted it. If that doesn't
Not taking more wool over our eyes, huh? I think not. Come on. Now you stay down there now. Stay out of trouble.
This ain't over, Marshal.
It's over now. Leave these
these good folks along. I'm having a shot of this.
It depends on the day, who's working. We don't generally encourage it, but sometimes if you ask really nicely, it's very easy to get that. But it is. $2.
today at the Florida Railroad Museum. Of course, fantastic as always ready to go out and take a train ride. I decided to do it because it is my birthday this weekend. Of course, when you're seeing this will be the Friday after, most likely. So, of course, all this wouldn't be possible. It wouldn't be here for me to go gallivant around and film if it wasn't for all the volunteers that helped to operate the train. One of the only employees asked if they could say a few words on camera, and of course I must appease my hosts, and here that is now. Again, thank you for watching. Please do share this. Make sure that almost everybody in the state knows about this operation, because it is very important to help represent the history of Florida. And thank you for watching. My name's Grayson Chestnut. I'm one of 10 paid employees here for the Florida Railroad Museum. I just want to shout out our operations here. Hope you guys come out and take a train ride with us. Our website is www.frrm.org, and our phone number is 941-776-0906. We do all sorts of special events throughout the years. We offer a murder mystery dinner train. We have a World War II reenactment. We just wrapped up the first run of our Cowboys today. We do a pumpkin patch train and our annual Christmas train, which is a huge hit and a sellout every year. We have fire pits available for s'mores, lots of Christmas lights. The kids love it. It's a lot of fun. We also have a lot of volunteer opportunities here for you. If you ever wanted to learn about railroading, to come out and work on the equipment, maintain the track, learn about the operations and how to be a conductor, trainman, or an engineer. We operate year-round with the exception of 2 weeks in the end of December and the start of January. We close for 2 weeks for maintenance and general upkeep purposes. Other than that, you can take a train ride with us every weekend. Our locomotives and our rolling stock provide a history lesson and a step back in time for railroading in the 1950s. A lot of the equipment on our train is Florida heritage. While the locomotive behind us might not have Florida heritage from the 50s, it was a big part of Florida's phosphate mining operations in the 1980s and the early 90s. This locomotive actually worked for IMC and was a converted F7, which means it's a CF7. It's also the last one to have the round cab. The next models that were remanufactured in the Claiborne shops in Texas had the square body cabs after. This locomotive was bought for scrap value in 2017 and brought here by our museums. We have a special heavy contractor that will move equipment for us as needed, and it sat on the sidelines from 2017 to 2019. We brought it into our shop and restored it for the 2019 and 2020 season, and it sits as you see it today. It is operations for regular service. On top of our locomotive maintenance and restorations, we also offer caboose charters as well as private car charters, locomotive rentals where you can drive the locomotive, and we also offer train rentals for special occasions and parties at fees which you can find online or at our gift shop. You can either walk in or give us a call. Again, we hope to see you guys out here soon and take a train ride with us. And as always, happy railroading.